Hi, I'm Akash Yagnik. It's a pleasure having you here. Um, the reason why we are here is Venky's Express Hyderabad has launched new products. We've come up with 14 new combos and new sauces which are very much to the taste for our people out, our esteemed customers out here. And the new products which we have launched include Haryali Kebab, then chicken samosa, cheese shots, and popcorn, chicken popcorn. So these are the new products which we have launched, and as we have said, as we are very well known for the hygiene and the USPs which we have, as everyone is aware that we have a live kitchen out here wherein the customer can see what is being cooked for him. The products which we have again are very healthy, as they have all which are grilled and which are roasted. So you have an eye as in what is being cooked for you. And the new sauces which we have launched, the spicy sauce, the lemon chili sauce and the Szechuan sauce have been launched keeping in mind the taste of the esteemed customers who are here with us, and we are looking forward to give them the best of the time when they visit Venky's Express. See, the new products which are here, these have been launched in the market for the first time. So this is something which would add upon to the taste of people who are of all age. We have not been targeting any specific age group as such. We are looking forward to welcoming each and every customer to Venky's Express. See, upcoming pipeline projects, as we are looking forward for 100 outlets to come up, and we are also looking forward to launch new products. So this is an ongoing process which will be taken care time and again. And as and when we do something new, since you are a family members, we would always look forward to you being here. See, for corporate partners, we've already have our PR team who've been working, and we've already made our way into the corporates. So we're getting a very good response out there. So things have been started and we are working towards it, and we have been facing success, and we would be doing it on a regular basis again. See, marketing as such, marketing, when you talk about marketing, the biggest marketing which we believe is the good word of mouth which we have from our esteemed customers, who when they come to Venky's Express, the good time which they have here, the products which they have here, when they see what is being cooked specially for them, which makes them feel more confident and more happy regarding our products, is the best advertising which we look forward to. Yes, vis-a-vis also we are into media, print, electronic, which is there, which is always supporting us. So this would be the combined thing which we are looking forward to. See, that would just be a part and parcel as in what we are looking forward to. We have big celebrities who've been coming to Venky's Express and showing in their confidence about our brand, about the products which we are doing and the serving which we are doing, and the whole point about hygiene and the cleanliness which we maintain. So it is always good to have celebrities with us, and even they are happy to be joining hands with us. So it's a good thing on that note. See, these would be, we are still working upon it. So as and when things are on that, we would definitely let you know on that. So.